Hi there. Today I'm going to plant my very first mushroom bed of the season. I'm going to pick wine cap because wine cap mushrooms are so much fun and they're so easy to grow. There are 3 reasons why I like wine cap so much. First reason is that it's a very easy mushroom to grow. If you've been growing mushrooms at all on logs, you will understand how easy this is. The second reason is that the mushroom substrate is very easy to come by: wood chips, straw of many different kinds. And the third reason is these wine cap beds can suppress weeds and also improve your soil greatly by turning wood chips and straw into a very plant-friendly organic matter. The first thing you need to do is to pick a site for your wine cap bed. Partial shade is great, so in the apple orchard, underneath a grape arbor, underneath a asparagus bed, on the edges of forests, those are all really great places to put your wine cap bed. In this case, I'm going to use my wine cap bed primarily to suppress this nasty stinging nettle that we have around our high tunnel. And also it's on the north side of the tunnel, so it provides pretty good shade next to these white pine that we have here. So I feel pretty comfortable we'll get some really nice mushrooms from this bed. Now you can grow wine cap on just wood chips or just straw, but I like to use a combination. In this method we're going to be using a 3-layer combination, which is cardboard on the bottom to help suppress my weeds, straw in the middle to provide very fast spawn run, and on the very top to provide moisture control of the straw underneath, and also that extra really super nutritious woody layer of wood chips on the top.